In this video, I'll guide you through how to reset your password in Glassdoor. Maybe you're having trouble signing in, or you just want to update your login details to be more secure. Either way, we'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly where to click and what to expect on the screen. First, open your web browser and go to glassdoor.com. You can type the address directly into the address bar at the top of your browser. Make sure you're on the official Glassdoor website and not a lookalike page. Once the homepage loads, give it a moment to finish so all the menus and buttons appear correctly. Next, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see an option related to your profile. If you're already signed in, this might show as your profile picture, your initials, or an icon that represents your account. Go ahead and click on that profile area. This is where Glassdoor keeps most of your personal and account settings. When your profile menu or page opens, look for a small pencil icon. This pencil usually represents edit or change settings. It might appear near your name, near your profile details, or in the general account area. Click on the pencil icon to enter the editing view. This is the place where you can adjust different parts of your account. On the left-hand side, you'll see a menu with different sections. Find and click on the option labeled Account Settings. This is the section where you manage things like your login information, connected accounts, and security preferences. If you don't see it right away, scroll a bit or look for anything that clearly mentions account or settings. Within your account settings, you may see an area that mentions Indeed. Glassdoor often connects with Indeed to make it easier to manage your job search across platforms. Look for a button or link that says Update on Indeed and click it. This helps make sure your account details are consistent across the connected services and can be necessary when you're adjusting login or security preferences. After that, you'll again want to make sure you're in the main account settings area. If clicking that took you somewhere else, use the navigation on the left to click Account Settings once more. This ensures you're on the correct page where your security and login details are listed. Now, within your account settings, look for a section labeled Passkey or something similar related to passwordless or secure sign-in. Passkeys are a modern, secure way to sign in without using a traditional password, and Glassdoor may use them to help protect your account. When you find the passkey section, click on Manage Passkey. This will open a detailed view of the passkey or passkeys associated with your account. Inside the Manage Passkey screen, you'll see an option to delete an existing passkey. Click Delete. You may be asked to confirm that you really want to remove it. Go ahead and confirm. Removing the old passkey is an important step if you're effectively resetting your login method or updating to a new, more secure setup. Once the old passkey is removed, you'll see an option to create a new passkey. Click on Create a new passkey. Follow the on-screen prompts, which may involve using your device's built-in security options like fingerprint, face recognition, or a secure PIN. When you complete this process, your new passkey will be saved and your Glassdoor sign-in will be updated and secured with your new credentials.